Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your reasoning class. This is our lecture for classes 4th and 5th. Subject reasoning and chapter 31. Name of the chapter is Series and Pattern Completion. And it is our lecture 2. In this lecture, I am going to tell you 2 more examples related to complete this series. Look here. Complete the series by encircling the correct answer. And here, first figure, triangle, in between that circle is there. Now circle is outside. In between a square is there. Now square is outside. In next figure, pentagon will be outside. And in next figure, this, what is this? Parallelogram. Now this parallelogram will be outside. Now check in the options. Square, no. Triangle, no. It is also a rhombus. If you don't know the names, no problem at all. At least you should know that this type of figure will be outside. See. So our answer will be option D. One more example. I will explain you. Look here. On this first figure, circle and 2 line segments. Now, this line segment is at its place and this line segment has moved to the next vertex. Now, one time they are moving line segment, this line segment. First, then second. Now, this line segment will rotate to the next vertex. एक बार इस लाइन सेगमेंट को रोटेट करना है बेटा, एक बार इस लाइन सेगमेंट को. वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस सेगमेंट. इट इज रोटेटेड. नाउ दिस लाइन सेगमेंट is rotated. Now this line segment will rotate and it will become like this. See, now it's time to rotate this line segment and this line segment will come to the next vertex here. The figure will become like this. Here it will come. This type of figure will come. Now check. Is there any figure in the answer? Yes. Understood? Start rotating the line segment. First this line segment, secondly this line segment. Got it? You have to recognize the pattern yourself. Now, based on the knowledge, there are 5 questions which you will try. First question, first figure, second figure, third figure, fourth figure. 4 are given. Fifth you have to find out from this. 1. Option A, option B, option C and option D. Complete the series means you have to find out the next one. Okay. Now you have to keep the thing in your mind that is there any relation between first and third or there is relation between first and second. A little bit hint I have given to you. Question number 2. Now look here. Cross, plus, and this is also a sign, and then triangle, circle. Now you have to find out what is the relation between this first square box figures and second square box figures. Means what is the relation between first and second, second and third, third and fourth, and then fourth and fifth. You have to find out the next figure from these 4 options. Next question, question number 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 figures are there. In each figure there are some rectangles. First figure, rectangles are there. Second figure, this rectangle is broken and this figure is formed. And again some more change, some more change. you have to find out the next figure of this series from the options A, B, C and the D. This is your next question, question number 4. Here also 3 types of figures are there. In next series, these are at different position. Next series, there is some change again. You can observe clearly that how they are moving, this triangle and the circle, and this figure is also rotating. You have to observe and find the next figure from this given options. Because when it is given complete the series, it means in the series what will be the next is our answer. Here is the last question for your practice, question number 5. Look here, 3 figures are there in first block, then in second block there is some change in the figures, in third, in fourth. Find the relation. Relation may be from first to second or from first to third. You need to observe and find the correct option. A, B, C or D. You need to find out the correct option. I hope you will try, and if any confusion, we will discuss in the next class, in next video lecture. In online class we will discuss and you will get the solution with detail in your video lectures. Now it's time to do the homework discussion of lecture 1. Look here, first question was given to you. Question was complete the series. 1 line, then 2 lines. With third line it is a triangle. Now fourth line, fifth line will be like this. So we will get the figure A. Question number 2. Triangle was there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And next there should be 2. So these 2 options are totally wrong. Now check these 2. Arrow mark. Arrow is shifted to the next vertex. Now to the next vertex. To the next vertex. Now it will be shifted to downward in this vertex. So option B is correct according to the given series. Third question was there. Cross sign 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 1. In next figure there should be no any cross sign. Okay. Now check this figure. 1 curve, 2 curves. यहाँ से थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो गया यहाँ पे. Next 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. थोड़ा थोड़ा रोटेट ज़्यादा हो रहा है अब यहाँ पे. ओके. आप चेक कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम फर्स्ट फिगर टू फोर्थ फिगर इसका साइज इंक्रीज हो रहा है. This rotation is wrong. So C part is totally wrong. Here figure is small in between. So this is also wrong. Now check here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 signs should be there of plus addition sign. Addition signs are needed. So B is also wrong. Which option is left? Only and only A. Got it? In this way you can find out the correct option. Question number 4. This question is very easy. 1 and 2 line segments. 1, 2, 3 line segments. Now the line segment is increased at bottom. Now one segment is increased at the top, again at the bottom. Now you have to increase one segment at the top. यानी कि ऊपर 3 लाइन सेगमेंट हो जाना चाहिए, नीचे 2 और बीच में एक बिग लाइन सेगमेंट. Check the options. 2, it's wrong. 3, 2, wrong, 2, wrong. Now we will find out from these. Here at the bottom there should be 2 line segments. This one is correct option because here 3 are there, that is wrong. ठीक है बेटा, तो ऑप्शन से भी आप अपने आंसर्स को ढूंढ सकते हैं. अगर आपको सीरीज में नहीं मिल रहा, then come to the options. Wrong options will be crossed. You will reach to the correct one. Last question, 5th question. Line segment and 1 circle. 2 line segment, 2 circle. 3 line segment, 3 circle. 4 line segment, 4 circle. Now we need 5 line segment and 5 circles. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Here 4. Wrong. 5 line segments तो हैं यहाँ पे, but circle 4 हैं, so it is also wrong. Correct option is B only. I hope you have understood and you are able to find out the correct option. If no, do more practice. Doesn't matter if you are getting wrong in the starting. Do practice so that you will reach to the correct option. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.